In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a white background in Photoshop. I am going to use the latest version of Photoshop, that is Photoshop 2022. Its subject selection tool makes it super easy to mask out the subject from the background. So without losing any more time, let's quickly start the tutorial. Open your image. Then duplicate the image layer and convert it into a smart object. Now, I am going to adjust the color and exposure of the image a bit using the Camera Raw filter. Rasterize the layer. Pick any of the selection tools. It could be a marquee tool, object selection, or quick selection tool. Then go to Select and Mask. You can change the view mode from here. Click on the select subject. It's going to create a mask revealing only the subject. To refine the hairline of the subject, you have to click on Refine Hair. Scroll down and check Decontaminate Color. And then select an output mode. Select a new layer with Layer Mask. Hit OK. Turn off background layer visibility. Select Layer 1 and then click on the Create New Layer icon. With the Paint Bucket tool, fill it with white color. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to the channel, so that you can stay updated every time we upload a new tutorial. If you want to know how to edit an image in the Camera Raw filter, then click on this link, and I will see you in my next video.